universe in fireball XL5, way out in space together, conquerors of the sky. My heart would be a fireball, every time I gazed into your starry eyes. We take the path to Jupiter, and maybe very soon we cruise along the Milky Way and land upon the moon. To a wonderland of stardust we'd zoom our way to Mars. My heart would be a fireball, 'cause you would be my Venus of the stars. But though I'm not a spaceman, famous and renowned, I'm just a guy that's down to earth with both feet on the ground. It's all imagination, I'll never reach the skies. My heart is still a fireball, every time I gaze into your starry eyes. Every time I gaze into your starry eyes. Fireball, every time I gaze I wish I was a spaceman, the fastest guy alive. I'd fly you round the universe in fireball XL5, way out in space together, conquerors of the sky. My heart would be a fireball,